So the question based on trigonometry. An aeroplane is flying horizontally along a straight line at the height of 3000 meters from the ground at the speed of 160 meters per second. And the time it would take for the angle of elevation of the plane as seen from a particular point on the ground to change from 60 degrees to 40 degrees, 45 degrees. Give your nearest, give your answer correct to the nearest second. Okay, first of all, I'm going to draw the diagram for this and then I'll explain the diagram and then we'll see what we have to do. Okay, as per the question that is given to us, I've drawn the diagram. See, O is the point of observation from which the aeroplane is observed. Initially, in the beginning, the aeroplane is at point A. You can see the green line that I have drawn here. The angle of elevation is 60 degrees. As the aeroplane is going away, its angle of elevation is going to decrease. So at point B, the orange line that you can see, this is the line of observation. So at that point, the angle of elevation becomes 45 degrees. So basically the aeroplane is traveling from point A to point B. This is the distance that we are supposed to find, distance AB or distance DC is the distance that we are supposed to find. We are also given the speed of the aeroplane is 160 meters per second. So once you get the distance, you know the speed, you will be able to calculate time. Speed is equal to distance upon time. So here we are going to consider over here the two triangles and one more thing, the height of the aeroplane is given. This is the vertical black lines that I have drawn, BD or DC. This height is 3000 meters. Okay, I'll just write that down. So BD or AC, both of them are 3000 meters. So first I'm going to take triangle ACD. From this I'm going to get distance CO. Okay. I'm writing these parts, triangle ACO. This angle is 60 degrees, angle AOC, that is angle of elevation. We are already given AC, which is 3000 meters height of the aeroplane. We are supposed to get distance CO. So AC is opposite side, CO is adjacent side. So I'm going to use the ratio tan of 60 degrees. So tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side is AC divided by adjacent side is CO. Tan 60 is root 3. This is equal to AC is 3000 divided by CO. So CO is equal to 3000 upon root 3. Okay, all the calculations I will do in the end. Now I'm going to consider here the second triangle, which is triangle BDO. This is the triangle that I'm considering. Okay, the hypotenuse is the orange line, which is the line of observation from point O. Okay, so this is the second part that I'm doing. I'm considering here triangle BDO. Again, same thing we are going to do. This BD is the height of the aeroplane, which is again 3000 meters. We will find DO, okay, which is with the adjacent side. So again, here we are going to use the ratio tan 45 degrees. Opposite side is BD divided by adjacent side is DO. So tan 45 is 1. So BD is equal to DO. Okay, this is going to become 1 into DO is equal to BD. So DO will be 3000. Okay. Now I want the distance through which the aeroplane has moved, that is AB, which is equal to DC. Okay, DC will be equal to DO minus CO. Okay. This is what I'm saying. This is, I want distance DC, which will be equal to DO minus CO. Okay. So DC is equal to, this is equal to DO is 3000 minus CO is 3000 upon root 3. If I rationalize the denominator, I'm writing this over here. This will be 3000 root 3 upon root 3 into root 3 will become 3. So it will become 1000 root 3. 1000 root 3, value of root 3 is 1.73. This is going to give me the distance, that is, this is going to be the distance through which the aeroplane has traveled from A to B, which is AB, which is equal to DC. Once I get this distance, I'm going to use the formula speed is equal to distance upon time, and I'm going to get the value of time which is asked. Give your answer correct to the nearest second. I'll do all the calculations and then write down the final answer, and then you can take down the sum. I have done all the calculations, and I have written the answer to the nearest second, which comes out to be 8 seconds. You can take down the sum and then we'll go on to the next question.